There are many coins that want to solve the problem of scalability like Cardano or Solana in a crazy way, but Polkadot want to be the first layer 0 solution. We are Crypto ABC and want to explain everything about blockchain, crypto and co in a simple way. Before we start, like and subscribe to get cryptofit. Today we talk about what is Polkadot, what are parachains, and how they bring interoperability at its best. Polkadot has gotten a lot of press for its novel parachain method. All you need to understand about the cross-chain network may be found here. Polkadot has swiftly established itself as one of the most famous and the largest crypto blockchain technologies in the world. Because it looks that the excitement surrounding Polkadot is only becoming greater, we've put up a full walkthrough to help anyone who is unfamiliar with the initiative and what it is. Polkadot's ultimate objective is to be the new web of blockchain systems to connect in real time. You might wonder why we need anything like that when there are so many excellent platforms available, like Ethereum or Cardano. Polkadot's founders think that no one blockchain can effectively fulfill all needs in a timely and safe manner. Imagine a future Ethereum, even ETH 2.0 with faster transactions, containing trillions of smart contracts to serve all of the many applications. This isn't going to be efficient and it won't scale effectively. As a result, hello to the Polkadot system, a program that aims to bring all the blockchain networks together under one umbrella and give the greatest foundation for any business you can imagine. Polkadot aspires to be the foundation upon which blockchains are built. Companies will be free to understand that the foundation is solid if a more even playing field is created, rather than the fractured one that now exists. Working off Polkadot. Polkadot is a next-generation blockchain technology that unifies many blockchain technologies into a single network, considerably simplifying cross-chain communication and interoperability. A grandpa consensus method, customized for the Polkadot, a variant of a proof-stake, will secure this network. Relay chains, parachains, parathreads, and bridges are the most important components of the Polkadot system. In the next part, we'll go through each of these in further detail. Polkadot allows blockchains to join and function simultaneously as parachains to use the show's proof-of-stake transactions verification and security. Transaction locations are validated, and data is standardized in the network's so-called relay chain so that any machine may interpret it. This is where all of the chain's security is pooled. Although functioning is taken care of, Polkadot-connected blockchains can use their own POS method, determine when to modify their code, and run any apps or currencies they want. It's a pick-and-choose layer that enables systems to maintain their security while incorporating new protocols. Interoperability at its best. Polkadot allows any data or commodity to be transferred across blockchains, not only tokens. Linking to Polkadot allows you to communicate with a wide range of blockchain systems on the Polkadot system. Scalability in terms of both money and transactions. Polkadot enables unparalleled economic scalability by allowing numerous blockchains to be secured with a single group of validators. Polkadot scales transactions by distributing them over numerous parallel blockchains. Blockchain innovation is simple. Using the Basis Foundation, you can create a bespoke blockchain in minutes. Connect your chain to Polkadot and benefit from instant interoperability and security. Polkadot's community grows thanks to its simplicity of development. Without forks and future-proof. Polkadot may be upgraded without requiring a hard fork to add new features or repair issues. Polkadot can readily adapt to changes and upgrade itself when new technologies become available because of this feature. Everyone should be safe. Polkadot's innovative data availability and validity approach enable chains to interact with one another meaningfully. Chains maintain their autonomy in terms of government, while being together in terms of security. Network management based on user input. Polkadot features a complex governance system in which all participants have a say. Polkadot's growth is organized on-chain and carried out freely, ensuring that it represents the community's beliefs and avoids stagnation. Significance of Polkadot. Developers that are creating novel, decentralized systems must now construct them from the bottom up. This also implies that effort, skill, and money are being directed toward creating rival systems rather than a baseline on which everyone may build. Polkadot's goal is to enable developers to create value across all blockchains instead of just one. Scalability: the number of operations per second the networks can handle, and manage the community handles protocol updates and changes, are the two most pressing concerns that blockchain-based systems must address. Polkadot seeks to address both of these issues. As the enthusiasm about Polkadot increases, with slot auction going live and the network's actual capacity attracting funders and initiatives, it's natural to get caught up in the euphoria and ponder what this unusual network will look like in a year or two. While there are certain risks and potential drawbacks to the system, it is supported by a strong team, has indeed been joined by major partnership initiatives, and has delivered on its promises. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Polkadot? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.